Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to review this crayon quilling kit, and it has all the basic things which are required for doing quilling work. It has quilling strip, envelope, needle, glue, card, googly eyes, stones, earring hooks and rest of the things. And the MRP which is written on this box is 120 rupees, but as far as I remember, I bought it for 80 rupees. Basically I bought it 2 years back, so I don't remember the exact price, but MRP is written 120, and as far as I remember, I paid 80 rupees for this quilling kit, and I bought it from our local stationery. Okay, sorry, scissor is mine. Let us keep it aside. This is a packet of googly eyes, hooks and everything, like stones and everything, which was mentioned on the box. So first we have strip, and this is the size of this strip is 5 mm. And then we have envelope, and the quality of envelope, the thickness of envelope is not so good, so I don't think that it's suitable for the quilling. Then we have this glue, and it's not opening because it might have dried. Let's just throw it. Next we have this quilling book, but before that let's see the needle. So this is a needle which is used for quilling. Then two cards which are mentioned on the box, and it is like a wedding card. Although the designs are good, then we have this quilling book, and this is a very good book because everything is mentioned: the brief history of quilling, the way, like how you can start quilling, what are the different patterns which you can make, shapes, basic instructions, everything is there. You can just pause and read. I'm just flipping the pages. Here they have given the instruction how to make quilling earring, then quilling butterfly, along with the pictures, as well as instructions are written in English, which is very good. Like any layman can pick up this kit and can read and can make anything out of it. So that was the kit. Now let's try to make something out of it. So as you can see, this is the card which we are going to make. You must have seen this boomerang on my Instagram story. So this is the card which we are going to create, and for that, first of all, I'm going to take this strip, green strip, and first I had taken the pink and green, then later on I changed the pink one with the yellow. So as far as kit is concerned, I think it's a very good kit because it contains so many things in that kit, and the MRP is 120. अगर 80 की ना भी मिले आपको तो 120 is a good price because you are getting the quilling strips, needle, hooks, and the book is really helpful because instructions are given, brief history of quilling is given, how you can create so many shapes, everything is mentioned along with the pictures, so that you can follow all those instructions and you can make anything out of it. Now, should student buy this quilling kit? No, because I have seen students do quilling by themselves. They cut the strip by themselves, they roll it by themselves without any quilling needle, so बहुत आराम से कर लेते हैं. So they don't need to invest on this because you can do everything by your own. तो आप आराम से कर सकते हैं. You can separately buy the quilling needle, which will be very helpful for you to roll out all the quilling strips, but don't go for the kit because if you already know how to do things without all these equipments, then you can do it as well. Just buy the quilling needle. That's it. Acha, one more important thing which you should buy is this tweezer, because if we apply glue with our fingers, so उससे क्या होता है, हमारा जो कार्ड है या जो भी हम quilling strip whatever we are making, so वो हमारी ख़राब हो जाती है, उस पर glue लग जाता है and वो थोड़ा सा गंदा हो जाता है. So this tweezer really help you out when you are applying glue on the strips, on the bottom of the strip, and when you are pasting it. So it is very convenient for you to work with this tweezer. So buy needle and tweezer for your quilling work. That's it. So this is how we use a quilling needle. There is a slot in the needle in which you just have to insert your paper, and then you can roll your paper, your quilling strip towards your right or towards your left. And I'm not very much satisfied with this card, although it was my first try, but I was expecting something good, and this kind of thing happens. Inshallah, in the upcoming video maybe I'll try, if I'll ever try quilling again, so I'm gonna share it and I'll try to record quilling, like tutorial of quilling. And I really like the work of a few artists who are on Instagram, and I'm going to link their uh, ID in the description box, so you can just check their account and you can follow them if you love quilling or would love to try more. One of them is Svetlana Danilova. I just really love her work, and her tutorials are very easy to follow, so you can check her account, as well as Papercraft Thailand. So these are the two artists whom I follow, and I personally love their work, so you can check their ID Instagram account, and you can also follow them. And do you know what, Svetlana has her YouTube channel, so I'm going to link down that in my description box, so आप वो भी जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे ट्यूटोरियल्स अवेलेबल हैं. उनका चैनल आप चेक करें, एंड यू वुड लव टू रिक्रिएट हर वर्क. अच्छा, जब भी हम रिक्रिएट करते हैं किसी का भी आर्ट वर्क, तो हमें ड्यू क्रेडिट देना होता है उस आर्टिस्ट का जो ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट होता है. तो आप जो भी ट्राई करेंगे, वेन एवर यू आर शेयरिंग इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया, डू गिव क्रेडिट टू सेटलाना, अगर आपने उनका ट्यूटोरियल फॉलो करके कुछ भी बनाया है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू गिव ड्यू क्रेडिट टू द आर्टिस्ट, दैट इट इज़ अ रिक्रिएशन वर्क एंड द ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट इज़ जो भी उसका ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट होता है. Meanwhile, our card is also ready. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel.